Welcome everyone to our preview of this year's Changing Currents in Employment Law, the DC Bar's Fall Employment Law CLE. I'm Scott Oswald. I am faculty chair of Changing Currents in Employment Law with one of our speakers, Natalie Koss. She is the managing partner at Potomac Legal Group here in DC. Natalie, hi.
Hi, how are you, Scott?
I'm good. Hey, let's talk about your panel. You're speaking on natural law, the workplace impact of new hair discrimination statutes. Boy, this really is a cutting edge topic. Tell us just a little bit about your panel and your fellow panelists.
I am joined by Sherron McClain of the FBI, who will be providing the employer's perspective on our panel about hair discrimination. And you're right, Scott, it is a cutting edge topic. It's so cutting edge that as we speak, state legislatures are passing Crown Act laws to prohibit some very insidious and pervasive hair discrimination that largely impacts African-American women and their hairstyles, hair texture. The Crown Act stands for creating a respectful and open workplace for natural hair.
So when a potential client comes to you, Natalie, and says, look, I'm having this problem at work, right? I'm being asked about my hairstyle or something similar. What kind of advice are you giving to that potential client?
Well, as an employee side attorney, I'm regularly asked by potential clients about discrimination within the workplace. And the first place I always ask them to go, whether it's hair discrimination or some other discrimination, is what does it say in the employment handbook? What does the employee handbook say about how employees should manage their hair? What are considered professional grooming standards, appropriate standards as defined by the employer in the workplace? Then we ask the employee, how is the policy being enforced? Is the policy being disproportionately enforced against African Americans, African American women, which is traditionally the case?
And so it's really important for employees to kind of dust off that manual, actually open it and see what these policies say, kind of guides what happens next.
Absolutely. And we're also going to be discussing the jurisprudence as relates to hair discrimination cases nationally, as well as within the district, Maryland, and Virginia.
Natalie, thank you.
You're welcome.
We look forward to seeing you, and we look forward to seeing all of you on Tuesday, October 26th at 6 p.m. Changing Currents in Employment Law this year, and you can find us and register at dcbar.org.